How to fix iPhone cannot be backed up to iCloud. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're getting the iPhone cannot be backed up error on your iPhone while you're trying to back up your iPhone to the iCloud, then here is how you can fix the problem. First thing first, simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and then tap on the Apple ID or the name banner at the very top right here. Now once you're here inside your Apple ID, scroll down, tap on iCloud, and from this page you scroll down and you'll get to see the iCloud backup. Go ahead and tap on this one, and from here make sure the backup this iPhone is enabled. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off, wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on. And simply go ahead and tap on a backup now option at the bottom right here and see if that fixes your problem or not. If this process also doesn't work for you, then this is the time to check out your iCloud storage. Open up the settings application from your device and then tap on the Apple ID once again, and then scroll down, tap on iCloud, and simply go ahead and tap on the iCloud storage at the very top right here. If I tap on this one, it's going to show you your available storage on the iCloud. If you don't have available storage, you can either upgrade your iCloud storage or you can delete some unnecessary storage and free up storage in order to back up your iPhone. And once you have make sure the free storage, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will start backing up. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then this is the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application from your device, tap on the Apple ID at the very top, scroll down from this page and tap on sign out and enter your Apple ID to sign out your Apple ID, and then sign back into your Apple ID once again and enable the backup, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. And this is how you can fix iPhone cannot be backed up. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.